Hey there, in this video I'll be talking about algebraic expressions, how to expand the brackets. Let's have a look. In algebra, when we expand the brackets, it involves the multiplication of each term inside the brackets by the terms outside the brackets. This process is very simple. If your fundamentals are clear, you'll be able to open the brackets without any error. Before we go into the details, we first try to understand the sign conventions for multiplication as it avoids many errors. So have a look here. Two positives make a positive. So if you have two positive numbers and you are multiplying the numbers, you get a positive result. So x times y equal to xy. Then two negatives make a positive also. So if you have two negative numbers, it gives you a positive product. So that means minus x times minus y equal to xy, which is positive. Then we have one positive and one negative. So one positive and a negative make a negative. So if one of the numbers is negative, we get a negative answer. So that means x times minus y equal to minus xy, or minus x times y equal to minus xy. So now our sign conventions are clear. So we are ready to go through algebraic expressions. Let's consider expanding single bracket first. We have ax times c plus by. So we multiply each term of the bracket by ax, which is outside the bracket. So when we do that, we get ax times c plus ax times by, and final result is acx plus abxy. So this is how we open the bracket. In example 1, we need to expand 3x times 8 plus 5y. So here we multiply each term of the bracket by the term outside. So we write 3x times 8 plus 3x times 5y. And then we simplify and get 24x plus 15xy. So this is the answer to the first example. In example 2, we have to expand minus 2x times 10 minus 5y. We use the same method. So we multiply minus 2x and 10 first. And next step is to multiply minus 2x and minus 5y. Keeping the sign conventions in mind, we simplify. So our answer would be minus 20x plus 10xy. So this is the answer to the second example. Now consider expanding double brackets. We have ax plus b times cx plus d. We multiply each term of the second bracket by the terms of the first bracket and add the terms. So have a look here. We are writing ax times cx plus ax times d plus b times cx plus b times d. Now we simplify it. And as we simplify, we get acx square plus adx plus bcx plus bd. Now consider second and third term in red. You can see x is common to both the terms. So we can take x common and write the next step as acx square plus x times ad plus bc in the bracket plus bd. So this is our final expression. In example 3, we need to multiply 3x plus 7 by 2x plus 8. So we are dealing with double brackets here. So the process would be to multiply each term of the second bracket by the terms of the first bracket and then add the terms. So here we need to multiply 3x by 2x first, then we multiply 3x by 8, and then next step would be to multiply 7 by 2x, and the next would be 7 times 8. When we solve it, we get 3x times 2x plus 3x times 8 plus 7 times 2x plus 7 times 8. Now this gives you, when you simplify, you get 6x square plus 24x plus 14x plus 56. So that gives you, if you take x common in the highlighted terms in red, you get 6x square plus x. In the bracket, we are left with 24 plus 14 and then plus 56. So the answer would be 6x square plus 38x plus 56. So the process is simple and we are very clear about the fundamentals, we can't go wrong. In example 4, we have to multiply and expand 4x minus 9 times 3x minus 2. So we have double brackets here. So the procedure would be the same. We multiply each term of the second bracket by each term of the first bracket and then add the terms. So we have 4x times 3x first. Then we multiply 4x times minus 2. Next step would be minus 9 times 3x. And then minus 9 times minus 2. So have a look here. We get 12x squared minus 8x minus 27x plus 18. Now here in second and third term, you can see x is common. So we can take x common from second and third term. So when we simplify it further, we get 12x squared minus 35x plus 18. So that's your final answer of the given example. Next we have is a plus b whole square equal to a plus b times a plus b. So how do we solve it? We just expand, and as we did earlier, we multiply each term of the second bracket by each term of the first bracket. So it's a times a plus a times b plus b times a plus b times b. So here we are, and we get the result as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So finally we can say a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is a standard formula that you can easily memorize. If you memorize, this will help because we are going to use this formula very often. So it helps if you memorize this formula. Have a look at example 6 here. We have 4x plus 5 times 4x plus 5. We need to expand it. So here we can use the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how do we do this? So we just write it as 4x plus 5 whole square, and then we put a equal to 4x and b equal to 5 in the formula. When we do that and we simplify, we get 4x plus 5 whole square equal to 16x square plus 40x plus 25. So that's your answer to the given example. Next we have a minus b whole square equal to a minus b times a minus b. So how do we do that? We multiply each term of the second bracket by the terms of the first bracket and then add the corresponding products. So it is a times a plus a times minus b plus minus b times a plus minus b times minus b. So we can write it as an algebraic expression. When we solve it and simplify, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. And here we can finally write a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula again can be memorized. It's a very simple formula, but it is used very often. So if you memorize, this would really help. In example 7, we have 3x minus 7 times 3x minus 7. So this is, we can rewrite it as 3x minus 7 whole square. So when we use the formula, we put a equal to 3x in the formula and b equal to minus 7. When we solve and simplify, we get 9x square minus 42x plus 49. So we can finally write 3x minus 7 whole square equal to 9x square minus 42x plus 49. That's our answer to the given example. Next we have is a plus b times a minus b. Again, it's double bracket. We follow the same procedure. So we do a times a plus a times minus b plus b times a plus b times minus b. So when we expand it and write it, we get a times a minus ab plus ab minus b times b. You can see second and third term are equal and opposite. So we can cancel the second and third term. So we are left with a square minus b square. So our final expression is a plus b times a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This again is a very important formula. We'll be using it very often. So try memorizing it. In example 8, we need to simplify and expand 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y. So we can easily use the formula shown above, and we rewrite the equation as 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y equal to 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, because we are putting a equal to 2x and b equal to 3y. So here the answer would be 4x square minus 9y square. So that's the answer for the given example. Let's review the key points now. First point is, in expanding single brackets, we multiply each term of the bracket by the term outside the bracket and then add the terms. Number 2 is, in expanding double brackets, we multiply each term of the second bracket by each term of the first bracket and then add the terms. Third point is, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This equation is very important. You can memorize this. And number 4 is, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this again is very important equation, will be used very often. So try memorizing this. And the next one is, a plus b times a minus b leads to a square minus b square. So I'll recommend point 3, 4, 5 you need to memorize, because they are all important and would be used very often. So if you memorize, it will help. I hope by now the process of expanding brackets is clear to you. The fundamentals are clear. Then you can solve the questions with confidence. If any question comes to your mind, you can always write in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you. Have a good day.